I want to thank God for this day and for this journey. I want to thank the people of Nairobi for believing in me and giving me this mandate and this task of serving them as governor of Nairobi. I want to thank my family for allowing me to go through this process. Of course, my deputy governor, my good friend, Njoroge Mushiri, a man whose capacity I believe in, I trust, and I want to tell the people of Nairobi, you're in safe hands with Njoroge Mushiri as my deputy and with myself as governor of Nairobi. I want to thank my team, starting with my chief agents, David and Kerich, Priscilla, Gitau, everybody, Muzia Wakili Nyamu, my entire team across the city, Team Sakaja, Team Nairobi, yes, siku zote, and the millions of Nairobians. The result of this election speaks volumes about our country. In the last election, Bonasiaro, I had 840,000. There were 1.7 million voters. In this election, there have been more voters, but a lower turnout. This country is yearning for leadership. And this country is yearning for inspirational leadership. That is a task before us, because this time, the turnout has been much lower. Another thing is that if you look at the elections in Nairobi, the elections in Nairobi have spanned political divide. People from across have been able to vote in a resolute manner. That is a message that anyone who is looking keenly needs to take note of. I really want to thank my party leader, William Samoei Ruto. His Excellency William Ruto, I want to thank you for believing in me. I want to thank especially Musalia Mudavadi and the entire Kenya Kwanza team, Rigathi Gachagua and Wetangula. It has not been an easy journey. Many did not want me to be on the ballot, leave alone the ballot. The last 5 days have been sleepless nights because of many things. But we look forward as leaders. I want to acknowledge and thank my worthy opponents, especially my main opponent, Polly Kapigade, who is a friend, who is a man I respect, who I have known. I want to thank him for his gallant efforts and that he held true to what we believe in, siasa safi. That politics is not enmity. Siasa sio wadui. And that the people of Nairobi realize that no matter our different tribes, no matter our different parties, we have the same challenges. There is no Kikuyu hunger different from Luo hunger. There is no problem that faces the Luya that is different from the Kalenjin or the Kisii. We have the same challenges. And we realize that invariably, everyone wants the same thing: to go about their lives peacefully, to make something out of themselves, and to guarantee their children a future. To the people of Nairobi, I will not let you down. To the people of Nairobi, you can look forward to a new Nairobi, a city of order, a city of dignity, a city of hope and opportunity for all. Ultimately, we will make this city what it deserves to be. And so I'm very grateful. I want to acknowledge those who've been there before me. I want to thank His Excellency Evans Kidero, who was our first governor in Nairobi. He set the foundation for devolution in our county. He didn't have an easy time. I've learned from his strengths and from his weaknesses. I want to thank my friend Mike Mbuvi Sonko, our second governor of Nairobi, and I acknowledge the challenges he went through, his successes, and his weaknesses. I want to thank Anne Kananu, the current governor, for what she has been able to go through. These are all people I speak to, and I acknowledge them. And I also want to thank the outgoing NMS, led by General Badi. I thank them for the work they have done for this city. I acknowledge it's not been easy. I have learned from them. But I want to affirm that from the day we were sworn in, all the functions of county governments under the 4th schedule, all the 14 functions shall revert to the county government immediately. Finally, I really want to honor the people of Nairobi for being peaceful, for seeing each other as their brother and their sister. We've not had violence in the city. We've interacted. We've met people campaigning on different parties and different platforms and saying hi to each other. We've joked around. There are those who have called me names. I want to thank them all. Those who voted for me, asanteni. Those who didn't vote for me, thank you for expressing your political rights under Article 38, and I will prove you wrong. I will work for all of you. I want to give my DG, Njoroge Mushiri, an opportunity to just say something as well. Then I close CRO, if that's okay.
Yeah, speaking after the governor, I would want to also thank all the people of Nairobi for placing their trust in us. We will work for you. We will deliver for you. We will keep our promises. We assure you that what we said we will do, we will do. And today, I want to celebrate everybody who came out to vote, to express their opinions about who they should want to be their leader, and in particular to say that they chose His Excellency Governor Sakaja and myself to be their leaders. Thank you very much.
Asante sana. Finally, Nairobi is the most important county in this country, Eastern Central Africa. It's the biggest population. I want to take this opportunity to appeal to all the people of Nairobi, even as we wait for the announcement of the presidential election. Let us stay calm. Let us know that whatever the outcome, and of course you know the outcome I want, but whatever the outcome, we remain as Kenyans, we remain as Nairobians. Jirani yako ndio ndugu yako, whoever it is. Please let us remain peaceful and let us teach this country what we are made of. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. And allow me to thank you, Bwana CRO. I know what you've gone through. I know the pressure your team has been under. And not just over the last few days, for many days before that. Thank you for giving us faith in the law, for standing in true fidelity to the Constitution. Thank you for being honest, forthright. Your entire team, your returning officers from the constituencies. I know we had challenges. I want to thank all of them. Thank them for me, all the 17. The presiding officers, I thank all of them. I think we give too little credit to the hard work that you do. It is not an easy job. And of course, the chairman of IBC and the commissioners, this time, there's something to write home about the IBC. God bless you all. Thank you.